I'm calm. Hey, I'm calmer.
I'm calmer.
There's a pretty forest way back in the town.
The philosophy forest is that way.
Oh, it goes on for miles and miles. We're going to video sitting up, and we will see the beautiful forest. Oh my God! There's Fluff! There's Fluff!
Hi, I'm calm. I have Alzheimer's.
I have cancer. Here's a car! Here's a car!
There's a car.
We're gonna follow it up the hill. Take off, pony.
It'll end up there. It'll end up.
It'll go up there.
And then it'll go over there. Oh my God, there's a Fluff on me.
Ah, there's Fluff, dude! Oh God, here comes the car. Watch very... Oh, Fluff! Watch... Oh God, here comes the car. Watch very closely.
What's there closely? There will be a car. It's right there, Ashley. Ashley. Car.
Do you hear the woodpecker? I hear the woodpecker. Oh, there's Fluff, dude. He's awesome. Rock on, Fluff.
Fluff is a cool, calm person.
Fluff is really energetic, and Mo is really crazy. Fluffs are in the house!
Hi, I'm calm and I have Alzheimer's.
Hi, I'm energetic, and I have cancer.